Beautiful and nice and simple. I did a video like this a couple of weeks or a couple of months ago talking about cranberry with cucumber juice. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing part 2 of it again with Chef Ricardo. What you want to do is remove the skin from the cucumber. That's the first thing you want to do. Alright, once you remove the skin from the cucumber, like what I'm doing right here, then you're just gonna simple cut up your ingredients and put the cucumber straight inside of the blender when you're going to be blending it like this. Alright, so basically it may need more of the cucumber inside of it, so what you're gonna do is try your best and add as much as you can. Alright, beautiful. So I remove the skin from the cucumber, and the beautiful thing about the cucumber, 95% of it is just water. Alright, so you don't need to worry yourself about adding a lot of liquid to it. Alright, we're going to add a piece of a ginger to the cucumber, and we're going to add some lemon, lovely. Alright, now I'm going to add a little bit of cucumber cranberry juice to it. Not much, just a little bit. And we're going to add a teaspoon of honey. Organic honey is the best to use. We're just going to be blending this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Lovely and nice. So yeah, things looking good. What we're gonna do now is pour that lovely cucumber juice and cranberry with lemon and ginger. Beautiful and lovely. Look at that. Look at the color and the texture of it. It's just amazing. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please don't go anywhere. Please tell a friend and let's share the video, guys. The most important thing is to share the video and also tell a friend. Alright, see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.